Hi, this is Jeff Burnthissel, Sales Manager with EGC Enterprises. EGC continues to innovate by improving pressure seal deliveries to our customers around the world. Always with an eye towards quality, the VSG Pro is built from scratch in 48 hours, has never failed, is quick to install and easy to remove, and what's more, are also price competitive with any metal seal. EGC Graphite pressure seals are engineered for each individual application. So it's important that an EGC engineer understands the dimensions of your valve cavity and previously installed seal, along with pressure and temperature information, to provide a design that will properly seal the first time and throughout every cycle. We've developed a 3-step form that will take you through the entire process from start to finish. Here's how it works. Begin by filling out your contact information. EGC would also like your email address and phone number where you can be reached. This data is necessary in case we have questions or require additional information. The next step is to indicate the valve manufacturer and the valve figure or serial number. It is absolutely imperative that you list the valve size, type, and pressure class. And finally, we need to know the quantity of seals you require. Because even valves of the same make and model can differ, this form is required for each individual application. Now let's move on to step 2. Seal selection. For this step, disassembly of the valve is required. Remove the bonnet from the valve, and then remove the old seal from the bonnet. If the valve is equipped with a metal seal, this may take some time. With emery cloth, wipe the inside diameter of the body and the outside diameter of the bonnet, then carefully inspect the sealing surfaces. Now you can identify the seal and check the box below. If the seal is a Powell metal seal, with an outside diameter taper, please contact EGC for more specific instructions. With the bonnet and seal removed, you can take accurate measurements of the valve and pressure seal. This data is essential for proper fit and function of the VSG Pro. The initial measurements are the valve bonnet neck outside diameter, the bonnet neck height, and the inside diameter of the valve body. Measurements can be made using calipers. Just measure the neck OD and the neck height and write them down. Seal measurements are next. Measure the outside diameter and the inside diameter of the seal using calipers or micrometers and write them down. Next, measure the seal height, the toe width, and the shoulder height. It is important to take multiple measurements and use the average distance. The next measurement is the angle of the seal. It can be taken from the pressure seal or from the bonnet. If a seal was used for any of these measurements, please indicate if it was new or previously used. We also need to know the spacer or backing ring thickness. Simply measure it with calipers and record it on the data sheet. Finally, we'd like to know if this valve will be hydro-tested, and if possible, we'd like to know the operating pressure of your system. It's important to write this information down. That's how our engineers will make the right VSG Pro pressure seal for you each and every time. And that's a process you'll want to participate in. When you've completed the form, either online or by hand, please email it to us at egc@egc-ent.com and we'll get your seal started. We would like to thank our partners in this video, Industrial Valve, for the use of their facility, equipment, and personnel, particularly Mr. Charles Hall, Jimmy, and Thomas. For more information on graphite pressure seal installation, please watch our next video in this series.